Howard Cooke Primary School mourned the death of Vice Principal. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Howard Cooke Primary School in Catching Hall, St. James is in deep mourning over the passing of its beloved Vice Principal, Veronica Headley Jennings, just days before the start of the new academic school year, which is set to start on September the 5th. Headley Jennings, who was one of the school's founding teachers in 1989 and who had served as Vice Principal for 15 years, died on Sunday evening following a period of illness. She was 60 years old. The school's principal, David Scott, remembered Headley Jennings as a dedicated instructor who, in a case of tragic irony, was preparing to take over the role. The principal stated that a meeting is to be held next Tuesday with members of the school board and a representative from the Ministry of Education to decide the next step forward. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.